And the race is on. Tokmo from the outside. Solar Power. For speed, Black Label, Karma, down on the inside, joint account, moving up, Soul Provider, Ideal, Blue Boss, Poggy, Doctor Choice, Gas Cockpit, and to number 8, Final Impact, and Bebot is running at the tail of the field. No, by about 2 lengths, followed by 4 Speed in second. Solar Power is racing third by Doral, and rushing up on the outside is Black Label, and rounding the far turn. More by about half length, followed by 4 Speed in second, and by Doral, Solar Power, Black Label as they race the final corner. Mo still leading by a length and a half, followed by 4 Speed on the outside, and moving up by the Real Solar Power, and nearing the finish line. Mo by a length and a half, Karma in second, Solar Power by the Real finish line. Mo, Karma, and finally Mo. Karma, Close, Black Label, Solar Power, Doctor Choice, and Glass Cockpit for your Super 6.